Car stereos have come a long way from static monaural AM radio to the automobile communications and infotainment hubs they are today. Owing much to how we communicate and entertain ourselves, the once disregarded car stereo has evolved to become one of the more important options to consider when purchasing a car or upgrading the existing music setup in your car. So in this video we will discuss 5 best touchscreen car stereo. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Hikity touchscreen stereo. If you're looking for a new Android Auto head unit for your car and want something reasonable and cost-effective, you can also have a look at Hikity's choices. As one of the least expensive solutions available, Hikity's Android Auto head unit is among the top touchscreen car radio systems in this list. It comes with a 10.1-inch display that is coupled with a respectable 1024 by 600 screen resolution. However, this entry-level device from Toto uses the same out-of-date Android 6.0 operating system as the last model. In reality, given that it only has 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, its performance is actually rather ordinary. Using the radio frequency between 87.5 MHz and 107.9 MHz, you can more accurately decode signal messages. Intelligently, the memory function may recall radio stations. It provides 18 radio storage, high-performance digital tuning for FM radio, and full electronic digital radio search. As a bonus, this Android vehicle stereo has a backup camera. Rear-view camera with 170 degrees viewing angle, HD, and night vision. When in reverse, the screen instantly shows stereo reverse views, making parking safer and easier. Number 2. SJOYBRING touchscreen stereo. The SJOYBRING double-din stereo was designed with the driver's safety and comfort in mind, while also enabling you to take advantage of all the amazing features of a full multimedia center. The SJOYBRING-006 is a 100% standard size, universal iOS interface that was specially developed for the American market. You may easily control the 1024 by 600 responsive 7 touchscreen display with your fingertips, and the reaction time is swift. Sync your iOS smartphone with a large screen to easily make calls, listen to music, send and receive messages, utilize navigation, and more. You can connect your smartphone through CarPlay/Bluetooth or the AUX input. It is MirrorLink compatible as well. Additionally, there is a USB port and TF card slot that supports MP3/WMA/FLAC/WAVE and ID3 tag. This multimedia system is perfect for a broad range of music genres and sound effects. It has user-customizable 16-band EQ choices. The sophisticated SI4754 chip is incorporated into the SJOYBRING-006 and includes real-time FM and AM capabilities too, comes with rear and amp, front view camera for easy parking. Number 3. Podofo touchscreen stereo. Another manufacturer of Android Auto head units that provides a variety of affordable and entry-level alternatives with useful capabilities for use in your car is Podofo. For the price, the Podofo Android Auto head unit provides a lot to the user, making it a fantastic value option. This Android Auto head unit has a 7-inch, 1024 by 600 display, just like the majority of others on the market. Along with its display, the package also includes a reverse parking camera that gives your automobile an additional useful feature. You may anticipate getting the majority of the newest features because this Android Auto head unit runs Android 9.1. Furthermore, Podofo has added 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage since it even supports the most recent Android apps, enabling you to quickly install any apps of your choosing. Although this Android head unit comes with a 1-year guarantee, the build quality is only a little bit above ordinary. Number 4. Leadfan touchscreen stereo. This automobile radio system has a 7-inch double-din and excellent quality. For optimum results, use a fingernail or tip to touch the screen. sharing music as well as videos on your devices with ease. You can take calls, listen to music and other media noises from devices having Bluetooth functionality, and answer calls using Bluetooth and a microphone. There is a wireless remote control and exclusive steering wheel controls for added convenience. Take a phone call hands-free by using the BT connection to dial and listen to a call on the radio. BT and hands-free calling, USB, FM radio, AUX-in, TF card, up to 32G, video player, music player, and remote control are all supported. It supports mirror link and navigation features of the majority of mobile phones, allowing you to use the large stereo screen to manage your phone. Number 5. Oeretzrac Touch Screen Stereo. A high-resolution, colorful, clear, bright LCD display with support for clear movies is included with this device's 7-inch double-din vehicle entertainment system. On your devices, you may watch clear pictures and movies at any time from a variety of channels. The 7-inch LCD touchscreen on the vehicle stereo provides you with an excellent viewing experience. The majority of cell phones can use the mirror connection function with this twin vehicle radio. Backup cameras are included with this double-din vehicle audio. When in reverse mode, it will automatically display the reverse picture. The user handbook, wiring, and installation equipment also come with it. Professional technical assistance and a 1-year guarantee are included with this radio. This dual vehicle radio is compatible with most smartphones' Mirror Connect feature. Your car audio will display the phone navigation map when you turn on the navigation app and connect through USB. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.